It's the 100-year-old stove, and it still works.
I've been cooking on it since the day I got it.
The stove was built by General Electric around 1924 when Calvin Coolidge was president. It was one of the first stoves powered by electricity. Check out the original ad. It's described as the electric maid for the modern mother. Joanne and Marcus from Long Island bought it secondhand for $100 in 1979. They showed Inside Edition reporter Allison Hall the crystal knobs and the perfect white porcelain. It even has a bread warmer.
Did you ever think that it was going to last you this long?
No, I never.
It just kept on working.
The stove isn't the only old appliance Joanne and Marcus own. They also have a working fridge from 1930.
It's been working since the 30s, and we've been using it regularly since we've had it.
You guys have some pretty lucky appliances.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we do, yeah.